So, guys, I'm back. I'm back. Oh.
And that's shut down. We derailed back here. On the same street? Oh, no.
Oh no, what just happened?
Derailed.
Oh no. I've been here before.
What happened? That one came derailed and just came unshuffled there. Well, it's derailed. The whole time. You're always going to lose. There's nothing that you can do. No, this was red. He did vibe on this blue. But it gives a good.
Oh yeah. I know. I should make myself useless.
You're locked in there. Basically how it can go off.
Thank you.
It should have gone green already.
Okay, so I'll see if I can set it up to officers and then, because I was asking a manual about it. I'm just saying that. Oh, you said something about
There's a remote there. Second time being here. Doing good. This is my second time being here. First time was I came here back in 2021, in November 13th. Yeah, it's been a while.
Okay. You can do that before you make it. I'll live. I'll live for you.
We'll have the boys here for a couple of months, so we won't be around on the weekends. But okay, we'll still be connected.
I can never remember this guy going on like. See, I can remember that. I was eastbound for summer house.
I'm talking to guys back here. They're all narrow-minded.
Yeah.
TV. Yeah, just like when I went to the San Diego Mall where we used to. Oh, sorry.
Yeah, in the past I've been tapped in on certain stuff, but he actually does listen.
Right back at the mountains of the narrow gauge room.
Gets lifted up to
What issues with
well, the bridge, that nice
back
bridge.
at Tioga Falls.
Spacings are all over the place.
The depot is
It
in
just got
Mount
built,
Constant.
didn't it?
Yeah.
A pretty well built truck bridge.
Now you can have a little
Fisherman down there. Some placards loaded with logs. Whoa.
talking about the gray one?
Yeah, I wonder what's happening with the Santa Fe.
I don't know.
It's off right there. Also, there's a different kind of Amtrak. It's the Pacific Circle.
So don't move yet. We have to wait for another train to come in.
I haven't even gotten it, so.
You will have that one.
The second time. I came back.
Yeah, there's another one coming back here.
Got another
The
Amtrak.
lights in the daylight, so they split it. So you see,
Whoa.
they're doing
What's shorting?
same with the metro train.
Some of these guys, are they running off of their cell phone? My stuff out. Where? All my stuff is there.
I know where you live.
The central line.
Did it drop?
What's all the whoaing about?
Did I run a switch?
I don't know. I don't think so.
I should have shorted this again. Yeah. I'm still moving, Bob.
What just happened?
You want probably to save stuff for later.
I do want to send myself to go.
Like I said, we'll get a radio.
Sounds good.
Narrow gauge run anywhere in North America, United States.
No, the next one is just
There you go.
There's other ways to do it.
on this side. You know, this match is set up.
Just got it locked out.
Dispatch North Coast Limited, I need the turnout at El Paso going up.
There they go. There they go. Oh yeah, this is super cheap.
LCAT.
I don't know. I'm not controlling that.
Yeah, there's a narrow gauge layout back there.
And here we're on the main line.
This one's going uphill, this one's just down. There's another layer here and then there's the third area.
I remember working at every open house. I don't know the name.
I know.
It's a different world.
It is a different world.
Oh wow.
I don't have any narrow gauge.
Really cool. It's
This railroad's even bigger than the one in Roseville.
yeah, this is my second time being here.
What is the museum here in Old Sacramento? It's something.
I think those engine weight 210
482s, mountains. They're UPMT 73s.
Lots of freight trains require.
They started out with passengers.
But the articulated, like the articulated ones like those with freight.
Yeah, the smaller driver ones were freight. The Challengers were passenger and freight. The 4664s.
The big boys were freight.
Yes.
The way the big boys operate now is a dual service.
So they rerouted it, but they didn't take into account that there's actual line freight coming through and they had to
And I slipped higher.
There you go.
Yeah, Caltrans and the CHP are standing Quality Club, the freeway.
I told myself, I bet you that it wasn't so much the weather for the train, but the people chasing the train.
Oh, that'd be a mess out there. It would be a mess.
Like we can't. We can't even keep up with the regular people. How about these people?
Yeah, really. I know.
The track cleared.
Yeah, no, it was neat. Because we heard it.
Yeah, it didn't bother me. It didn't bother me at all that they swapped. Because I went back up there to work, you know. I went up to the Beluga.
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
Yeah, I caught it coming out of Oroville. Right past the bank.
Going east,
Yeah, it's like by the mountain.